This is our 3-in-1 stapler style punch. It's actually 3 punches in one. You have a selector dial on the top that you can choose from a slot, a hole, or a corner rounder for square cornered stock. This punch features hardened steel dies for each one of the operations and has a center line for reference for each die. You simply use the selector to choose what type of a punch you want to make. This punch also features a side guide. That side guide will let you punch in the exact same spot on multiple cards. Today I'd like to demonstrate how to punch an ID card slot. First, you make sure your selector's on slot. Find the center of your ID card using the line for the slot die. Adjust your side guide in the position that you would like your slot. Press down. And there you have a perfectly slotted ID card. Another great feature of this slot punch is that it will catch all of your punches. If you have any questions about this product, please call us at 1-800-560-8158 or email us at sales@allthingsid.com.